तपाईको परिवारमा कति जना छन्? How many members are there in your family? How many members are there in your family? तपाईको परिवारमा कति जना छन्? How many members are there in your family? मेरो परिवारमा 5 जना छन्. There are 5 members in my family. There are 5 members in my family. मेरो परिवारमा 5 जना छन्. There are 5 members in my family. के तपाईसँग कुकुर छ? Do you have a dog? Do you have a dog? के तपाईसँग कुकुर छ? Do you have a dog? हो, मेरो एउटा कुकुर छ. Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog. हो, मेरो एउटा कुकुर छ. Yes, I have a dog. कृपया ढोका बन्द गरिदिनुहोस्. Please close the door. Please close the door. कृपया ढोका बन्द गरिदिनुहोस्. Please close the door. के तपाईलाई चिया मन पर्छ? Do you like tea? Do you like tea? के तपाईलाई चिया मन पर्छ? Do you like tea? हो, मलाई चिया धेरै मन पर्छ. Yes, I love tea. Yes, I love tea. हो, मलाई चिया धेरै मन पर्छ. Yes, I love tea. आज कुन दिन हो? What day is today? What day is today? आज कुन दिन हो? What day is today? आज आइतबार हो. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. आज आइतबार हो. Today is Sunday. तपाईको शौक के हो? What is your hobby? What is your hobby? तपाईको शौक के हो? What is your hobby? मलाई गीत गाउन मन पर्छ. I like singing. I like singing. मलाई गीत गाउन मन पर्छ. I like singing. के तपाईँ चलचित्र हेर्न जानुहुन्छ? Do you go to watch movies? Do you go to watch movies? के तपाईँ चलचित्र हेर्न जानुहुन्छ? Do you go to watch movies? कहिले काहीँ जान्छु. Sometimes I go. Sometimes I go. कहिले काहीँ जान्छु. Sometimes I go. तपाईलाई कुन खेल मन पर्छ? Which game do you like? Which game do you like? तपाईलाई कुन खेल मन पर्छ? Which game do you like? मलाई फुटबल मन पर्छ. I like football. I like football. मलाई फुटबल मन पर्छ. I like football. तपाईँ अहिले के सोच्दै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you thinking now? What are you thinking now? तपाईँ अहिले के सोच्दै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you thinking now? म मेरो भविष्यको बारेमा सोच्दैछु. I am thinking about my future. I am thinking about my future. म मेरो भविष्यको बारेमा सोच्दैछु. I am thinking about my future. के तपाईले पढ्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you read? Can you read? के तपाईले पढ्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you read? हो, म पढ्न सक्छु. Yes, I can read. Yes, I can read. हो, म पढ्न सक्छु. Yes, I can read. के तपाईँ आज व्यस्त हुनुहुन्छ? Are you busy today? Are you busy today? के तपाईँ आज व्यस्त हुनुहुन्छ? Are you busy today? हो, म धेरै व्यस्त छु. Yes, I am very busy. Yes, I am very busy. हो, म धेरै व्यस्त छु. Yes, I am very busy. तपाईलाई शुभकामना. Best wishes to you. Best wishes to you. तपाईलाई शुभकामना. Best wishes to you. फेरि भेटौँला. See you again. See you again. फेरि भेटौँला. See you again. राम्रोसँग बस्नु. Take care. Take care. राम्रोसँग बस्नु. Take care. अहिले फोन राख्नुस्. Hang up now. Hang up now. अहिले फोन राख्नुस्. Hang up now. अब ऊ रहेन. He is no more. He is no more. अब ऊ रहेन. He is no more. यसलाई जारी राख्नुस्. Keep it up. Keep it up. यसलाई जारी राख्नुस्. Keep it up. कृपया यसलाई जारी नराख्नुस्. Please don't keep it up. Please don't keep it up. कृपया यसलाई जारी नराख्नुस्. Please don't keep it up. फेरि भेटौँला. See you again. See you again. फेरि भेटौँला. See you again. गइहाल्नुस्. Get lost. Get lost. गइहाल्नुस्. Get lost. उहाँलाई बिदा गर्नुस्. See him off. See him off. उहाँलाई बिदा गर्नुस्. See him off. कृपया चिन्ता नलिनुस्. Please never mind. Please never mind. कृपया चिन्ता नलिनुस्. Please never mind. पहिलो नजरमै. At first sight. At first sight. पहिलो नजरमै. At first sight. राम्रो सुनिन्छ. Sounds good. Sounds good. राम्रो सुनिन्छ. Sounds good. मैले बुझेँ. I see. I see. मैले बुझेँ. I see. आफ्नै तरिकाले गर्नुस्. Do it your way. Do it your way. आफ्नै तरिकाले गर्नुस्. Do it your way. उहाँलाई जान दिनुस्. Let him go. Let him go. उहाँलाई जान दिनुस्. Let him go. हजुर यहाँ आउनुस्. You come here. You come here. हजुर यहाँ आउनुस्. You come here. तमासा नगर्नुस्. Don't create a scene. Don't create a scene. तमासा नगर्नुस्. Don't create a scene. हजुर थाकेको देखिनुहुन्छ. You look tired. You look tired. हजुर थाकेको देखिनुहुन्छ. You look tired. मलाई परेशान नगर्नुस्. Don't bother me. Don't bother me. मलाई परेशान नगर्नुस्. Don't bother me. हजुर जस्तो चाहनुहुन्छ. As you wish. As you wish. हजुर जस्तो चाहनुहुन्छ. As you wish. ढिलो नगरिकन. Without delay. Without delay. ढिलो नगरिकन. Without delay. एकछिन पर्खनुस्. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. एकछिन पर्खनुस्. Wait a moment. सबै सकियो. All is over. All is over. सबै सकियो. All is over. यस्तो नगर्नुस्. Don't do this. Don't do this. यस्तो नगर्नुस्. Don't do this. मान्छेहरू हेरिरहेका छन्. People are watching. People are watching. मान्छेहरू हेरिरहेका छन्. People are watching. केही हुने छैन. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. केही हुने छैन. Nothing will happen. म त्यस्तो छैन. I'm not like that. I'm not like that. म त्यस्तो छैन. I'm not like that. यसको मतलब के हो? What does it mean? What does it mean? यसको मतलब के हो? What does it mean? यो एकदमै गलत हो. It's absolutely wrong. It's absolutely wrong. यो एकदमै गलत हो. It's absolutely wrong. अब हजुरको पालो हो. It's your turn now. It's your turn now. अब हजुरको पालो हो. It's your turn now. उसले मलाई बुझायो. He made me understand. He made me understand. उसले मलाई बुझायो. He made me understand. त्यहाँ कोही पनि हुने छैन. There will no one. There will no one. त्यहाँ कोही पनि हुने छैन. There will no one. यसलाई एकातर्फ राख्नुस्. Keep it aside. Keep it aside. यसलाई एकातर्फ राख्नुस्. Keep it aside. म हतारमा बिर्से. I forgot in haste. I forgot in haste. म हतारमा बिर्से. अबदेखि ध्यान राख्नुस्. Keep in mind from now. Keep in mind from now. अबदेखि ध्यान राख्नुस्. Keep in mind from now. उहाँसँग उभिनुस्. Stay with him. Stay with him. उहाँसँग उभिनुस्. Stay with him. उसँग नउभिनुस्. Don't stay with him. Don't stay with him. उसँग नउभिनुस्. Don't stay with him. मलाई 8 बजी सम्झाउनु. Remind me at 8 o'clock. Remind me at 8 o'clock. मलाई 8 बजी सम्झाउनु. Remind me at 8 o'clock. यो अरू कोही हो. This is someone else. This is someone else. यो अरू कोही हो. This is someone else. हामीसँग केही छ. We have something. We have something. हामीसँग केही छ. We have something. ऊ अहिले गयो. He has just gone. He has just gone. ऊ अहिले गयो. He has just gone. यसको मूल्य 500 रुपैयाँ हो. It is for rupees 500. It is for rupees 500. यसको मूल्य 500 रुपैयाँ हो. It is for rupees 500. कसरी आउने भइयो? What brings you here? What brings you here? कसरी आउने भइयो? What brings you here? यस्तो सोच्न पनि नसोच्नुस्. Don't even think so. Don't even think so. यस्तो सोच्न पनि नसोच्नुस्. Don't even think so. उसले मलाई पिटायो. He got me beaten. He got me beaten. उसले मलाई पिटायो. He got me beaten. त्यो घर कसको हो? Whose house is that? Whose house is that? त्यो घर कसको हो? Whose house is that? उनी राम्री छिन्. She is pretty. She is pretty. उनी राम्री छिन्. She is pretty. म चिन्तित छु. I am upset. I am upset. म चिन्तित छु. I am upset. मूर्ख नबन्नुस्. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. मूर्ख नबन्नुस्. Don't be silly. यो हुन सक्दैन. It cannot be. It cannot be. यो हुन सक्दैन. It cannot be. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ. Thanks a lot. चुप लाग्नुस्. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. चुप लाग्नुहोस्. Keep quiet. खाना राम्ररी चपाउनुस्. Chew your food well. Chew your food well. खाना राम्ररी चपाउनुस्. Chew your food well. म यो स्वीकार्दैन. I don't accept it. I don't accept it. म यो स्वीकार्दैन. I don't accept it. तिमी धेरै दयालु छौ. You are very kind. You are very kind. तिमी धेरै दयालु छौ. You are very kind. मैले मेरो काम गरे. I did my job. I did my job. मैले मेरो काम गरे. I did my job. फूल नटिप्नुस्. Don't pick flowers. Don't pick flowers. फूल नटिप्नुस्. Don't pick flowers. मलाई अहिले चाहियो. I need it now. I need it now. मलाई अहिले चाहियो. I need it now. मैले राम्रो गरे. I did well. I did well. मैले राम्रो गरे. I did well. कस्तो भयानक. How terrible. How terrible. कस्तो भयानक. How terrible. मलाई सोच्न दिनुस्. Let me think. Let me think. मलाई सोच्न दिनुस्. Let me think. मलाई यो आजै चाहियो. I need it today. I need it today. मलाई यो आज चाहियो. I need it today. तपाईं जान सक्नुहुन्छ. You may go. You may go. तपाईं जान सक्नुहुन्छ. You may go. किन हुँदैन? Why not? Why not? किन हुँदैन? Why not? चिहाएर नहेर्नुस्. Don't peep. Don't peep. चिहाएर नहेर्नुस्. Don't peep. म आज जान सक्दैन. I cannot go today. I cannot go today. म आज जान सक्दैन. I cannot go today. छिटो आउनुस्. Come soon. Come soon. छिटो आउनुस्. Come soon. कति दयालु. How kind. How kind. कति दयालु. How kind. अर्को पटक. Next time. Next time. अर्को पटक. Next time. नरिसाउनुस्. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. नरिसाउनुस्. Don't be angry. तयार हुनुस्. Be ready. Be ready. तयार हुनुस्. Be ready. भर्खरै सकियो. just finished, just finished, भर्खरै सकियो, just finished. उसलाई कस्तो छ, how is he, how is he, उसलाई कस्तो छ, how is he. मलाई थाहा छैन, I don't know, I don't know, मलाई थाहा छैन, I don't know. मलाई नसोध्नुस्, don't ask me, don't ask me, मलाई नसोध्नुस्, don't ask me. धेरै राम्रो, very well, very well, very well, धेरै राम्रो, very well. ऊ त्यहाँ थियो, he was there, he was there, ऊ त्यहाँ थियो, he was there. यो सही छैन, it is not right, it is not right, यो सही छैन, it is not right. प्रश्न गर्नुस्, ask a question, ask a question, प्रश्न गर्नुस्, ask a question. केही छैन, nothing, nothing, केही छैन, nothing. मलाई जानुपर्छ, I have to go, I have to go, मलाई जानुपर्छ, I have to go. आज चिसो छैन, it is not cold today, it is not cold today, आज चिसो छैन, it is not cold today. पर जानुहोस्, go away, go away, पर जानुहोस्, go away. बिस्तारै हिँड्नुहोस्, walk slowly, walk slowly, बिस्तारै हिँड्नुहोस्, walk slowly. छिटो हिँड्नुहोस्, walk fast, walk fast, छिटो हिँड्नुहोस्, walk fast. यो हुन दिनुस्, let it be, let it be, यो हुन दिनुस्, let it be. उनी कथा लेख्छिन्, she writes stories, she writes stories, उनी कथा लेख्छिन्, she writes stories. ऊ बिग्रेको मान्छे हो, he is spoiled person, he is spoiled person, ऊ बिग्रेको मान्छे हो, he is spoiled person. तिमी चुप लाग, you shut up, you shut up, तिमी चुप लाग, you shut up.